Hello and welcome to another video of me chatting you through how I made a recipe-ish. It's not really a recipe, it's a how-to. But if you want to watch the video without my yarns, click the link below and you can watch the video with some aesthetically pleasing music. Otherwise, I'm going to sit here for the next 2 minutes and talk you through how I did it essentially. This one is a pretty simple one. It is the classic bacon and egg pie, but it is dairy free, so that's a big bonus. So we're going to cook our bacon off, and whilst we're cooking our bacon off, we're going to start layering our filo pastry. So what I've done here is melted some dairy free butter, and then I'm just brushing it on between my layers of filo. So I just buy store-bought filo. I don't know how to make that. I'm using 4 layers of filo pastry, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it into 6. If you're making a bigger pie, then obviously you would layer it differently, but I just like to make the little mini muffin size ones. These are great cold as well. They seem to last pretty well for a few days in the fridge too. So there's my bacon cooking. And what I do here is I just put them in, and you'll see me later on in the video, I fold some of them over and leave some of them open, so it's just your preference to how you want them to turn out. And my mixture on the inside is incredibly simple. It is literally eggs, bacon, salt, pepper, herbs. I do think it's amazing when you chuck a little bit of chutney in there, or you can chuck some veggies in there if you want. Don't push it too hard. We're going with the classic bacon and egg pie. And you can see me just filling here. Yeah, basically just filling my eggs into the pie molds. Pretty self-explanatory. I topped some of them with bacon. Some of them had less bacon than the others, and that's me folding them over. And then after I folded them over, I'm literally going to pop them into the, I brushed a tiny bit more butter on the top of the ones that looked a bit dry, and then I popped them in the oven, and this is how they came out. And in a second you'll see me cut the cross section, and they literally taste delicious.